Hey guys, we're back with a fresh collection of great gadgets from all over the internet. As usual, all the links to the items are in the description below. Let us know in the comments which gadgets you'd want to see in our upcoming films. Number 1. Lamteric. A simple pixel clock that matches any environment will make your workplace setting smart and elegant. Create your own clock face or choose from hundreds of options to express your mood. On holidays, festive clock faces automatically come to life. Enjoy the visual equalizer while waking up to your favorite internet radio stations, listening to Spotify, streaming your favorite tunes to stereo speakers. With messages in the cinema lightbox style, you may express your individuality, create a festive mood, or push yourself to work. When your phone is not nearby, you can use the clock to keep track of time, weather, and timers, as well as get smartphone alerts. With applications from Lamteric Market, built by the community, you may display RSS news, subscriber count in social media, key dates, e-commerce sales, cryptocurrency rates, be reminded about your appointments, and much more. Sonos, Netatmo Weather Station, Bosch, Siemens, Neff, Gaggenau, and Thermador home appliances may all send you smart home alerts. With a single click, you may switch between Philips Hue, EILIKS, and WeMo. Amazon Echo or Google Assistant may be used to operate the device via voice commands. A thoughtful and practical present for any employee or colleague. Number 2. EILIKS Survival Gear Kit. A fantastic present for adventure-seeking men or boys, or for a family preparing for camping, hiking, or Boy Scouting. It's a multi-tool set that's ideal for use in your vehicle, bag, workplace, or ship. 24-in-1 must-have knife, manually closed and open non-spring knife, survival paracord bracelets, wire saw, water bottle clip, emergency blanket, flintstone, scraper, blow fire tube, for PCS fire tinder, flashlight, whistle, saber card, survival pen, multi-use spoon fork, 2 carabiners, for PCS fishing tools, and box. This incredibly helpful package may be stored in a backpack, vehicle, drawers, pocket or pouch, or securely connected to your belt, knapsack strap, climbing gear, or mountain bike. With the supplied Ranger Band. When an emergency circumstance arises, such as a natural catastrophe or a wilderness expedition, the multi-purpose survival gear packs have everything you need. Ideal for those who like trekking, hunting, and wilderness survival, among other activities. Outdoor adventurers, hikers, and campers will love this present idea. For adolescent boys, scouts, or family members that like adventure, stocking stuffers, fishing gifts, and hunting gear are ideal. Number 3. Edge Modular Kit for Laptop. With its super compact form, this laptop attachment may help you increase your productivity in a variety of ways. It attaches to the back of your laptop or computer display, and when you link your phone to the magnet, you'll have a second screen for video calls, notes, and other duties, and you won't have to worry about the battery life. The attachment works with both Qi wireless charging and iPhone MagSafe technologies. The newer iPhones feature inbuilt magnets, and there's a magnetic disc that clips to the back of your phone for other devices. This device also comes with a detachable light for streaming and video conferencing. Feel free to use 2 mounts at once and configure them wherever you like. Number 4. Embr Wave Bracelet. If you need to warm up or cool down a little, all it takes is a press of a button. The built-in LED light bar helps you rapidly pick the mode and adjust between intensity levels. Of course, you could utilize the app for all the settings. Furthermore, the device may assist you in distressing and perhaps improving the quality of your sleep. The second edition, however, stands out with a more compact watch-like appearance and is water-resistant. The adjustable Milanese loop band suits most wrist sizes, but there are a variety of additional variations to select from. This device is available in black and rose gold. Number 5. BlissLights Laser Light. This tiny light will turn your ceiling into a beautiful starry sky, and it doesn't require an outlet because it connects to your laptop via USB. Despite its small size, this thing can easily light up an entire room, though you can get even more mesmerizing effects with this laser projector, which combines a direct laser with holographic technologies. The device projects a whole galaxy onto your walls and ceiling. Use the built-in controls to adjust the angle and choose between various effects, or just couple the light with your phone over Bluetooth. You can effortlessly change the brightness, control the spinning motion, and create custom settings with the companion app. Number 6. Acpotel, the most affordable and practical night vision bino. You may keep using your night vision binoculars without having to regularly refresh them. Save the environment and your sanity with night vision binoculars that offer 8 hours of continuous power when the infrared lights is turned off. You may also recharge it up to 20,000 times. Can any alkaline battery compare in terms of energy savings, environmental friendliness, and convenience? The things you need shouldn't drag you down while you're trekking across the mountains or camping in the woods. Each pair of Acpotel night vision binoculars is small in size yet powerful in performance, fitting easily into your bag.